कैजा सर नमस्ते। B2B जिम फिटनेस वेलनेस लाइफस्टाइल में आने के लिए धन्यवाद।
माय प्लेजर। आप
सर
हमारे लिए बहुत खास हो धवल। एज अ स्टूडेंट, एज अ टीम मेंबर, okay, as an independent businessman who still is considered as a team member by us, and we are very proud of you. सर
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
इनवाइट बिकॉज आपने इनवाइट किया, हम डेफिनेटली आएंगे ही आएंगे। ओके,
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, थैंक्स।
a lot of people are saying things like COVID-19 से ये एक पॉजिटिव चीज निकला है। मेरे को that way, I've got a lot of anger in me right now. I can't think of a single thing that is positive outcome of this COVID-19. हाँ, innovate किया, innovation किया, जो करना था वो किया, fight it. But I am angry about what this COVID-19 has done to the world right now. I am angry about what it has done to businesses. And from whatever I know, ये lockdown, not allowing people to work, not allowing businesses to work. क्यों? Why? I don't understand this. And it has never happened. More deadlier viruses have come and gone. Come and not gone. The viruses never go. They never go. It's just that we build immunity to these viruses, and that is why we don't think much about the viruses, because now we are immune to them. But viruses never go. Even this COVID-19, there will be a COVID-20, there will be a COVID-21. God knows how many more COVIDs will come and Coronas will come. The coronavirus was there, a different version was there. Flu ka virus, every year there is a new kind of flu virus that happens. And so I really don't understand why, even K11 for that matter, why did it have to go through these losses? I mean, we've all seen all these things like social distancing. Suddenly you see these long queues behind outside liquor shops. Kya social distancing? वो numbers भी क्या रहे, क्या मालूम? I don't understand at what level, क्या साजिश चल रही है, what is happening, God knows. But me as a knowledgeable, well-thinking, well-read person, I don't understand what has happened. Suddenly, when people talk and say that अभी दुनिया बदल गई है, अभी वापस वो नॉर्मल नहीं आएगा, मेरे को बहुत चिढ़ाती है। क्योंकि वापस नॉर्मल मतलब क्या? कभी हम रेस्टोरेंट नहीं जाएंगे वापस, कभी हम पब में नहीं बैठेंगे, कभी हम क्रिकेट मैच के लिए नहीं जाएंगे, कभी हम रॉक कॉन्सर्ट में नहीं जाएंगे, कभी थिएटर में नहीं जाएंगे। क्या बोल रहे हो आप? What are you saying? We are social animals, यार।
Yes, yes.
और ये डिस्टेंसिंग अगर आप बोलो कि ठीक है, it is going to take a year to become normal. What is this new normal? कौन क्या new normal? न्यू नॉर्मल नहीं है, वो एबनॉर्मल ही है, उसको न्यू नॉर्मल मत बोलो। एंड वी कांट लिव लाइक दिस, वी कैन नॉट। जिम्स में भी अभी the whole thing about masks and all, how are you going to work out with the masks on? Is it even medically correct to do that? So there are a lot of misinformation going on, and I'm just angry at the fact that I'm not being able to pay my team in full. My team is doing fantastic right now.
Right.
जो उन लोग घर पे से काम कर रहे हैं, amazing अभी right now.
सर मैं इसी के प्रेशर के बारे में आपको पूछ रहा था।
हाँ, तो ये है,
ऐसी सिचुएशन में what people do is वो आपकी तरफ ही देखेंगे कि सर आप ही सॉल्यूशन निकाल सकते हो, तो उस समय आप क्या करते हो?
पर ये अभी जो सॉल्यूशन पूरा जो है वो पूरे I mean I don't want to use that overused phrase, it is not me, it is a team. वो नहीं, मतलब कि no, please, I'm not saying anything for effect, but every team member has played a part, and the whole thing, the way it has gone. Yes, I'm the leader, and hence leader का क्या है कि जब कोई चीज सक्सेसफुल होती है, लीडर को क्रेडिट मिलता है। और लीडर को मालूम होना चाहिए कि जब कुछ गलत होगा, ब्लेम भी सिर्फ लीडर ही लेगा और कोई नहीं। And so from that angle, it's a double-edged sword. But quite frankly, the leader cannot do anything if the team is not willing to work.
Right.
You can have great ideas, but those ideas need to be implemented, and
Correct.
excellent work needs to be done. I
Correct.
mean, my last Instagram post that I put, my second last Instagram post that I put, I was thrilled with watching that video of how we are holding the virtual classrooms, how our teacher,
Correct.
what he is doing in the classroom. Anirudh was taking the lecture, वो video देखा होगा.
Correct.
What he is doing in the classroom, उसमें एक तिनके का फर्क नहीं है. What he used to do in the classroom, in the classroom had students. फर्क इतना ही है कि टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज किया और वो टीवी स्क्रीन पे हमारे स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हैं, घर पे से बैठे हैं. मगर उनके लिए अनिरुद्ध वही कर रहा है जो उसने नॉर्मल टाइम्स में क्लास में किया है. एक तिनके का फर्क नहीं. We use that technology. We are face to face. कल मैं लेक्चर ले रहा था, न्यूट्रिशन का लेक्चर. कितनी बार मेरे को बोलना पड़ा स्टूडेंट को, क्या ठीक से बैठ, तू घर पे मेरे को मालूम है, सोफा पे लेट मत, उठ जा. मैं स्टूडेंट को रिस्पेक्ट दे रहा है. मैं सारा पूरा का पूरा, आई एम इन माय प्रॉपर वर्क क्लोथ्स, आई एम वेयरिंग द K11 लोगो यूनिफॉर्म, and I am sitting erect and I am teaching you. Why? Because I respect you as a student. So I told them कि I can easily, मैं घर पे है, मैं ऐसा सिखाएगा, लेट के, I can teach you like that. Since I'm at my house, I could be talking to Dhaval like this. मैं गंजे में बैठेगा, घर पे है तो मैं दिखाता है. I show people, boss, in my things, I show people I'm fully dressed. I'm wearing trousers. I'm wearing shoes. I'm dressed for work. I've got my pen. I've got my pen here. I've got my visiting card, which is there. My wallet. I don't need my wallet at home, but I've got my wallet. Yeah, I've got my wallet. Because I want to feel at work. हाँ, धवल हमारे घर का है, but Dhaval has asked me for an interview that he's going to put on YouTube.
Right.
I want to give that moment respect.
Right.
I'm wearing my watch, and I put up my post. आज भी मैंने perfume डाला है. You can't smell, but I wear the same perfume.
सर, पर मुझे लगता है कि यही जो आपका एटीट्यूड है ना, आज तक आपने जो भी किया है वो उस समय का जरूरत था, इसीलिए आपका खुद का भी प्रोग्रेस हुआ है और कंपनी का भी हुआ है. आज तक सर आप श्योर थे कि क्लासरूम फिजिकल टीचिंग और फिजिकल अटेंडेंस का ऑल्टरनेटिव है ही नहीं, और आप वही चीज अपने स्टाफ को भी कन्विंस कर रहे थे. और मुझे लगता है कि ये चीज पूरा गेम चेंजर होने वाली है सर. मुझे लगता है कि सिखाने की हिस्ट्री
तो जो बाद में होगा ना, अभी I'll tell you about positive things. And it's, again, to be positive is different, and talking about facts. I am talking about facts here. अगर facts positive है तो अच्छी बात है. I'm not lying to anybody just to make them feel positive. Okay? अभी जो भी हो रहा है गलत हो रहा है. And these losses are going to make, so we will come through. Dhaval, I also know that K11 will get through this.
Yes.
But why these losses? And now to get through this, we will be, so in February, Dhaval, we were soaring. We were literally soaring in February. March में कहाँ से क्या हो गया समझ में नहीं आया. Now to get back to profits, it's going to be 2-3 years of remaining tight. I don't like doing business. My way of doing business is, अगर कोई चीज बिगड़ गई है ना, okay, उसको replace करो and get something better than what it was earlier. My way of doing business is, some students said, हम लोग 7 o'clock के लेक्चर के लिए आने के लिए हम लोग 4 बजे निकलते हैं घर से. हम लोग डब्बा में खाना लेके आते हैं और हमको 2 लेक्चर्स हैं. हमारा लंच ब्रेक होता है 1 बजे, और 1 बजे जब हम डब्बा को खोलते हैं तो पूरा खाना बिगड़ा हुआ रहता है. सर, हमको फ्रिज, हमारे लिए फ्रिज नहीं हो सकता है. सारे सारे स्कूल्स में हमने बड़े बड़े फ्रिजेस डाले हैं, रखे फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, एंड स्टूडेंट ने तो फ्रिज मांगा, हमने बाद में माइक्रोवेव भी रखा साथ में, क्योंकि फ्रिज से निकाल के गर्म तो करना पड़ेगा. आई लव डूइंग बिजनेस लाइक दैट. 2 बार सोचना नहीं पड़ता है. स्टूडेंट ने पूछा है, वैलिड है, रिक्वायरमेंट है. हम students were asking for coffee. We've got wonderful Lavazza machine coffee machines, Lavazza coffee machines we've got, and we don't put sugar over there. We put stevia packets because we are a school. We teach and we follow that.
Super.
So Serovia, which is one of the best stevias, वो उसके sachets रहते हैं साथ में. और 2 बार सोचना नहीं पड़ता. When you are in profits, whatever your customer wants, whatever your student wants, create the right ambience. I just have to say, all right, Vijay, who's my head of operations and purchase, I just have to tell him, boss, order there. And I'm not ordering for myself. I feel like a king when we are in profits because whatever my customers want, I'm able to give. Losses ke time pe, the business becomes it's not a fun time at all. You have to keep on. I mean, after you come out of losses, you feel like that warrior who's won the war, and you feel damn good about it. That, yeah, we faced it and we got through.
All right.
But this kind of, like, I'm still asking, why did the government, do such extended lockdowns that we had to stay out of our. I'm still asking the question. I'm not getting any answer. I can't figure out why. Unnecessary losses.
Sir, what is your view on cost cuttings in these timings? अभी cost cutting जो करते हैं लोग, उसके ऊपर आपका view क्या है?
So cost cutting तो करना ही पड़ेगा. It has to be done. Like for instance, अभी हमारी जो head office है, which we love so much, and जो बहुत प्यार से बनाई है, I don't think there's a single K11 student anywhere in the country who doesn't know what our head office looks like.
Right.
It's been there in social media. बहुत प्यारी जगह है.
Right.
All our 51 strong head office staff loves that place.
Right.
It's a place that is made with a lot of passion. Ab, we are working from home for so long, 3 months.
Right.
We asked, and our landlord of the head office, that is there, is a very gentleman, thorough gentleman, very honest fellow. तो उसको हमने बोला कि भाई हम अभी अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते ये जगह, बिकॉज स्कूल का रेंट तो देना पड़ेगा. स्कूल्स तो हैव टू बी देयर, बट हेड ऑफिस, इतनी बड़ी हेड ऑफिस, हाउ डू वी जस्टिफाई? तो हमने बोला कि वी विल गेट इनटू अ शेयर्ड ऑफिस स्पेस. वो वी वर्क करके वो शेयर्ड ऑफिस कॉन्सेप्ट,
yes
which एकदम startup businesses, they go into these shared offices.
Right.
And we found out the cost, and the cost was coming to 3.5 lakhs plus taxes, whereas our rent at the head office is 7 lakhs plus taxes.
Okay.
So 50%. And so we decided, chalo, ठीक है, वापस आ जाएंगे. We will get back into form and we'll have an office much better than this one. I'm taking company-wide meetings अभी तो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस Zoom है, तो we've got about 200 employees, but I take company-wide meetings at least twice a month.
Okay.
And I talk to, मैं सारे स्टाफ से बात करता हूँ, including my housekeeping staff, including my drivers, housekeeping staff, सारे लोग से बात करता हूँ, हिंदी में बात करता हूँ ताकि उनको भी समझ में आए. आज जो भी चीज हमारे टॉप मैनेजमेंट जानते हैं कंपनी के बारे में, वो सारे के सारे 200 लोग जानते हैं.
Super.
मेरा हाउसकीपिंग स्टाफ भी जानता है एग्जैक्टली कितने पैसे कंपनी ने ये महीने में कमाए हैं, कितने पैसे बैंक अकाउंट में है. मेरा हाउसकीपिंग स्टाफ भी जानता है, और क्या हम लोग कर रहे हैं, और क्या क्या हम लोग अभी कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या प्लान एक्शन में डाले हैं. ये सारी चीजें मैं कंपनी वाइड मीटिंग में सब लोग को बोलता हूँ, और इससे क्या हुआ है कि दे फील इंक्लूडेड.
Right.
Businessmen in this time, the mistake they make is they don't share information with everybody in the company.
Right.
And you should tell everybody in the company कितना लॉस हुआ है, कितना पैसा है, क्या कर रहे हैं हम वो पैसे के साथ, क्या नया प्लान कर रहे हैं हम लोग, सारी चीजें। एंड यू शुड सी हाउसकीपिंग स्टाफ कितना इंटरेस्ट से सुनता है, मेरे ड्राइवर्स कितना इंटरेस्ट से सुनते हैं, एंड दे आर so they can talk knowledgeably about the company. They may be something, they may be washing vessels in the pantry, they may be doing errands, but when they talk to their people, their family, they can talk and tell them कि K11 में क्या क्या चल रहा है, सब information उनके पास है, they feel part of something big, they feel part of a mission, and that's how they are able to even wait for their salaries if need be. समझते हैं पूरा। एक चीज मैं बोलूंगा कि ये so the positivity that I'm positive fact that I will present to you is that the reason why fitness industry should not feel that it is going to come to a standstill or it will be finished or gyms will go out of business. There will be businesses that will go out, but business is dependent on demand. Remember that business is dependent on demand. जब तक डिमांड है तब तक बिजनेस में जान है, तब तक बिजनेस में स्कोप है। डिमांड गया, आप कुछ भी करो, यू कैन नॉट सप्लाई समथिंग दैट डजंट हैव अ डिमांड। सिंपल लॉजिक। इन दिस कोविड-19 क्रेजीनेस एक चीज जो हुई है वो ये कि देयर इज अ बिग जंप इन द इंटरेस्ट फॉर बीइंग फिट एंड हेल्दी। कोविड-19 ने एक डर डाल दिया उनमें कि उन लोग ने देखा है, अभी न्यूज़ उन लोग सुनते हैं तो दे नो दैट द पीपल हु आर ऑलरेडी अनवेल, अनहेल्दी, द पीपल हु हैव मेटाबॉलिक डिजीज, द पीपल हु आर डायबिटिक, द पीपल हु आर इम्यूनो कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड, उनकी जाने जा रही है। तो डेथ टोल जो हम बोलते हैं कोविड-19 का, वो एक्चुअली कोविड-19 का डेथ टोल नहीं है, वो कोविड-19 हैज जस्ट बीन द लास्ट straw on their back. It has just been a trigger. They have died because they were so. If एक तो young लोग तो कोई मरे नहीं है, hardly any कुछ young लोग मरे हैं, मगर young जो भी कम, बहुत कम young लोग जो मरे हैं वो भी smokers हैं, chain smokers हैं, lungs have already been compromised. So if it's an upper respiratory tract virus, obviously with compromised lungs, it becomes even worse, and people can die. But quite frankly, it is not killing more people than cholera, typhoid, jaundice already is killing right now. It's only that we are not counting those deaths. Is again my opinion, informed opinion about these things. And people are now connecting immunity. So immunity is in the spotlight has now come on immunity. Everybody is talking about immunity.
Right.
Immunity होनी चाहिए, immunity होनी चाहिए। अगर immunity खराब है तो you succumb to COVID-19. And what the people have done is that because of whatever propaganda or whatever information that is being provided right now, people have connected immunity to health and fitness. कि workout करना चाहिए तो immunity बढ़ेगी, nutritious food खाना चाहिए तो immunity बढ़ेगी, I need guidance on exercise, I need guidance on nutrition. ये सवाल, ये चीज has struck a lot of people who earlier never wanted to be guided on nutrition and on exercise. So we've been watching the fitness industry for the past 20 years, and for the past 20 years, every year the industry gets more and more customers. Industry is growing every year, correct? What would have been the natural growth in terms of market for fitness? It has jumped, in my opinion, it has jumped 5 years.
Okay.
In just a few months because of this COVID-19. If more people are going to demand that I be guided on exercise, I be guided for nutrition, if more people are demanding, we should not be worried about the future. We should only be worried about the present and do everything in our power to survive the present so that we can enjoy that future.
Super.
So keep that thing in mind. Demand has increased. No business should worry about its future when it is dealing with an increased demand.
Right.
There are people who are saying that gym chains are shutting down. So yes, probably some gym chains might shut down. Yes, they will. There may be gyms, independent gyms that will not be able to open up again. They'll be in too much debt. But because the demand is more, we must understand there will be new players. There will be new investment.
Absolutely.
An entrepreneur mind is looking at, where do I invest my money? What are the things? What are people thinking of? Oh, people are thinking about health and fitness. All right, chalo, let's put the money there. So you understand this is,
Yes.
so old chains may shut down, but the new chains will come up.
Right.
The virtual medium, which is now exploding across, the virtual medium will run parallelly with brick and mortar. Brick and mortar is not going to go anywhere. It will be there.
Right.
There is a whole market that loves the fact that I'm training at home. There's a whole market that hates the fact that I'm training at home. They're dying to come back to the gyms.
Right.
And this is not from my head. A gym owner called me. He said, Kaisar, I've got an idea. I'm running it by you. मेरे को सोच के बता ये बराबर है क्या? So he said, Kaisar, I feel that this is the time when fitness industry should increase its price. Gym fees have been stuck at bloody 15 to 20,000 rupees per annum.
Right.
For years. Gym fees बढ़ी नहीं पाए हैं.
Right.
और मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अगर gyms खुलने के बाद restrictions होंगी एंट्री पे, अगर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, इतने ही लोग एक घंटे में इतने ही लोग आ सकते हैं, जब तक अभी हम दुकानों में भी देख रहे हैं. सो इफ यू गो टू नेचर्स बास्केट, we'll have to stand in line outside. 7-8 people come out, then another 7-8 people will go in, but they'll maintain that number of people. So ये सारी चीजें जिम में होगी. अभी फिटनेस फर्स्ट इन दुबई ओपनड अप, एंड वो वीडियो अगर आप देखो फिटनेस फर्स्ट ओपनिंग अप का, they've shown that the gym member is coming in. It look like app है. On the phone she's showing the person at the door कि मेरा slot है. I'm allowed access between 10 to 11 a.m. And then she goes in and then she works out. And then एक treadmill छोड़ के सब लोग हैं. ये सारी चीजें हैं. So if that is the case, then boss, make it a privilege na, to come to the gym. Increase the rates. And one of the reasons why we should increase the rates is because the rates have been too low for too long.
True, very
and
true.
On top of that, we are being forced to take in less people. Now the people better pay. The ones who want the experience of a gym. I don't want to tell people support the gym industry. It is not their thing to support the industry.
Very true, very true.
But the industry should say, अभी कम लोग आएंगे और हमारा ये रेट है.
Right.
We are not asking for help. We are doing what is necessary for the business, and now it has become a precious commodity, and hence you pay more.
Right.
Or then work out at home if you want to. We also have trainers. You can have two pricing. We also have personal trainers for virtual. Our personal trainer will train you at home.
Right. Right.
Right? So these kind of avenues will happen, and only thing is that right now we need that power to survive. It's like this. There is a river and there is the Garden of Eden. वहाँ पे स्वर्ग है, मगर वो स्वर्ग में जाने के लिए आपको ये रिवर को क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा, और रिवर में मगरमच्छ बहुत है. वो मगरमच्छ से बच गए, आप सर्वाइव किया तो वो मिलेगा. Right now you have to navigate through the storm.
Right.
That is my take on the COVID-19. I can see that happening. I've got phone calls from friends who never used to work out earlier now saying कि virtually कोई सिखा सकता है क्या. I've got so many messages from people wanting personal trainers to train them virtually because they can't reach home.
Right.
बाद में there is another thing that people are saying that लोग डरेंगे, पर्सनल ट्रेनर किसी के घर पे नहीं जा पाएगा बिकॉज डरेंगे कि कुछ इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है. पैरानोया, ये मैं मानता हूँ बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ है. मेरे को पैरानोया अभी भी नहीं दिखता है. आप बाहर निकलो, The moment people are allowed to move out, they are moving out. धान करके they are moving out. वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं. इनफैक्ट ये फ्रस्ट्रेशन बढ़ेगा and people will make a big line to get to the gym.
Right.
जिम की डिमांड बढ़ गई है because people have been staying at home, working out at home. I keep telling people, I keep making fun. I said, कितना टाइम तक वो सिलेंडर उठाते रहेगा तुम? Cooking cylinder became very famous on Instagram. Everyone started doing cooking. ये सारी चीजें कितने टाइम तक करेंगे?
Right.
We at K11 are so ये तो constantly चलते ही रहता है दिमाग में कि because see हमारा स्कूल जो है vocational education स्कूल है. अगर job opportunities नहीं रहेंगे तो कोई स्कूल में नहीं आएगा हमारे.
Right.
Our business depends on the success of the fitness industry. Our business depends on our ability to provide opportunities to our students to earn.
Right.
So within a few days we will be declaring a tie-up with a virtual marketplace for personal trainers. So online. So Dhaval बहुत पहले. So you know that जब भी मैं कोई ex-student को मिलता हूँ, supposing ex-student या कोई के एयरपोर्ट पे आके सर आई एम अ स्टूडेंट, ये मेरा स्टैंडर्ड्स क्वेश्चंस रहता है. क्या कर रहे हो, कहाँ वर्क कर रहे हो, कहाँ काम कर रहे हो, कितने क्लाइंट्स हैं, क्या आमदनी है आपकी. आई आस्क्ड. सो आई स्टार्टेड मीटिंग एक्स स्टूडेंट्स हु से कि सर फ्रीलांसिंग कर रहा हूँ. एंड व्हेनेवर सम स्टूडेंट सेज फ्रीलांसिंग कर रहा है, आई ऑलवेज आस्क चालू कैसे किया फ्रीलांसिंग? बिकॉज़ फ्रीलांसिंग रिक्वायर्स कोई तो ब्रेक देगा तभी ना.
बराबर.
ऐसे कैसे काम नहीं किया चालू फ्रीलांसिंग? अर्बन क्लैप से मेरा क्लाइंट बना.
Right.
I started hearing about Urban Clap from a lot of our students.
Right.
That tells me that if your profile is there on an online store, service provider, then you can get clients without being known.
Right.
They can acquire customers for you. Now, Urban Clap, as you know, you can get an electrician also, you can get a plumber also, you can get a one-day driver also, you can get a massage therapist, you can get a personal trainer, you can get a hairdresser coming home. So that's Urban Clap. So imagine the power now of a online platform that is a marketplace only for personal training. All personal trainers will have their profiles.
So it is designed by K11?
No. I'm tying up with a. So I will just declare the name. It's slightly confidential before I do it. So
okay.
Within a few days we'll be declaring it. But their technology is all set. So we are tying up as human resource providers.
Right.
They are already there. They've got a different online model connected to the fitness industry.
Okay.
Now they've developed this platform and they've got the technology. Now they need trainers.
So will it be only for K11 certified personal trainers?
Personal trainers के लिए they have tied up exclusively with K11. It's their benefit also because they get a reputed brand and they can tell people that all the trainers are registered exercise professionals. Reps India recognized. So yes, we do have an exclusive with them. And of course, our trainer can be on various platforms. But they will want to basically advertise there with us.
Right.
And another thing is that they have tied up beautifully with many of the big website, other things. Like they've got a tie-up with Paytm also.
Okay.
Because they are a fitness outfit and are very clever boys who are doing this. So I have a very good respect for the way their thought process is. If you buy through Paytm, तो अगर आपने Paytm का service use किया है, to buy something fitness or health related, you will come across this brand name. You get it? And this brand name will then state, okay, here is your coupon code for 3 free virtual personal training sessions.
Super.
So all of our trainers that will be on that platform will, सब लोग को मिलेगा chance.
Right.
Give 3 free personal training sessions.
Right.
और ये 3 पर्सनल ट्रेनिंग सेशंस में उनको कन्वर्ट करना है.
Right.
So this And again, it was a particular night I was thinking कि यार gyms में अभी recruitment नहीं हो रही है तो क्या करना है. Then I picked up the phone, called that guy, the founder of this thing. I said कि यार ऐसा कुछ तो भी करना है. And that's what. So if you pick up the phone and you make the call, then things can happen. Because
Right.
the moment I said it, he said saying, "Sir, क्या बात कर रहे हैं? मेरे को तो आपने मेरे मुंह की बात छीन ली. मैंने तो ऑलरेडी ये डिसाइड किया है. मैंने तो ऑलरेडी ये क्रिएट किया है. और मेरे को तो ट्रेनर चाहिए." So see that thing clicked and it happened. So we'll be declaring that very soon. Then एक चीज जो प्रॉब्लम मैंने envision की है, जो मैंने सोची है कि Dhaval, you are also a personal trainer, so you'll understand what I mean. When you're training somebody at home, जब भी आप किसी को घर पे सिखा रहे हो, virtual medium से होता है, बहुत effectively होता है. मैंने खुद ने कितने लोगों के form and technique correct किए हैं by just telling the person while. So if I can see you squatting right now, I can definitely tell you, Dhaval, knees out a bit. You didn't breathe. What I can give you the inputs like how I would give you the inputs while I'm there. Simple thing is, right now we've been having a conversation for hours.
Right.
अब हम दोनों घर पे बैठ के सेम कॉन्वर्सेशन कर सकते थे.
Right.
हम दोनों मेरे ऑफिस के कैबिन में हो सकते थे. और
Right.
हमारा जो बात करने का कॉन्वर्सेशन का जो क्वालिटी है वो सेम रहता.
Right. Right.
हाँ, हम तो भूल गए कि तुम पूना में है, मैं बॉम्बे में है, हम भूल गए.
Right.
We've already forgotten that. We've just been conversing with each other.
True.
So the virtual medium is definitely something which is possible. But the limiting factor here is कि you have to tell the person अभी फ्रिज से 2 बाटली निकालो और 2 बाटली 1-1 लीटर का लेके बेंटो रो मारो. अभी आपका टेबल को पकड़ के कुछ तो भी और करो. ये चीज does not lend itself well to progression.
Right.
और अगर आप प्रोग्रेशन नहीं दे पाओगे, क्लाइंट निकल जाएगा हाथ से.
बराबर.
जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना, वैरायटी नहीं देंगे तो क्लाइंट निकल जाएगा. वैरायटी नहीं, प्रोग्रेशन. True. तो again I called up an old industry friend. Again, these names, I'm sorry, I'm acting all secretive, but ये हम declare करेंगे ये सारा. So I again called up an old friend and I told him, I said कि एक K11 recommended home gym kit बना.
Okay.
The point is, now you Dhaval, you got a client, say, and you tell the client कि आपको ये खरीदना है. मेरे को क्या क्या खरीदना पड़ेगा? आपको ये खरीदना है, आपको ये खरीदना है, आपको ये खरीदना है. वो काउंट करता है. अच्छा उसका कितना? अच्छा इसका कितना? And then even if he can afford it, बोलता है ये नहीं रहेगा तो चलेगा क्या? वो नहीं रहेगा तो चलेगा क्या? It becomes difficult to convince. What if Dhaval tells his client, please go for the K11 recommended personal trainer kit manufactured by this brand. It is for 75,000 rupees. आपको ये एक बारबेल लो, बारबेल के साथ ये लो, रैक लो, ये लो. हमने एक फॉर्मुलेट किया है, one thing. So that becomes easy to sell for a personal trainer. Okay, ज़्यादा दिमाग मत लगाओ, वेबसाइट पे ये खरीदो, and it is for 75,000 rupees.
Right.
You in 75,000 rupees you also get the 5 kg, 10 kg, 15 kg, 20 kg plate, and you get dumbbells till 35 pounds.
Okay.
Now what if you want a 40 pound? Of course you can buy extra 40 pound.
Right.
But 75,000 rupees because the person wants to know finally how much will I spend. बारबेल आपका 8,000 के लिए आएगा, बाद में रैक आपका इतने के लिए आएगा, बाद में ये इतने के लिए आएगा. That becomes difficult to convince a person.
Right.
We are creating that, and now that thing will get manufactured within about a week's time, and then we will shoot it in the K11 school, and I will talk about it, how this is all that you require in the house.
Okay.
So it's a very beautifully packaged thing that the manufacturer will make for us. It will be his brand, but it will be K11 recommended home gym kit. So K11 trainers will feel very proud of telling them that now, please go for our K11 recommended home gym kit. You can purchase it online, and it is for 75,000 rupees plus taxes. Simple. The person also has a clear idea. All right, and you know, personal training is a service provided to the rich. So for them, 75,000 rupees. अभी कितने requests आ रहे हैं मेरे पास? सर पता नहीं जिम कब खुलेंगे, ले लूं क्या इक्विपमेंट, ये ले लूं वो ले लूं. So yes, there are people willing to invest in home
Right.
gym. And I know one thing: the people who buy that home gym equipment also, they will, after the gyms open, they will still want to come to the gyms.
Right. True. Very true.
Like I told you that I had set up a beautiful gym for Yash and Avanti Birla in their Birla house, in their mansion. And when Exert started, they used to love coming to Exert. At least twice a week they would come to Exert.
Right.
There are people who like other people working out around. They like the ambience of a gym. और वो बदलने नहीं वाला है. So ये cost cutting की जो बात आपने की, head office, yeah, we were thinking of moving out. Now the head office landlord has brought his rent down by 50% for us. But,
Super.
But even there, we are saying that okay, it's 50%. But even this, should we take up this expense? Can we do without it?
Okay.
Can we work from home? Because हमने 3 महीना तो work किया है काम घर से.
बराबर.
We can afford. Can we work from home? मगर हमारे सारे जो टीम मेंबर्स हैं ना, अब ये भी एक चीज है कि वर्क फ्रॉम होम हम बोलते हैं काम करना चाहिए, घर से भी काम करना चाहिए, बट कभी कभी घर वाले अलाउ नहीं करते काम करने के लिए हमारे टीम मेंबर्स को. अब मेरे को उसके लिए भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग रहना पड़ेगा कि भाई मेरे घर में तो मैं और मेरा वाइफ है, आई एम द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, शी इज द सीईओ ऑफ द कंपनी. तो वो मेरा काम रोकने नहीं वाली है, मैं उसका काम रोकने नहीं वाला हूँ. कभी वर्क फॉर द सेम कंपनी, nobody else. But we know that our team members, some of them are living in 500 square feet houses with 7 people, 8 people.
Right.
अब वो अगर if my team member is making a sales call, she will tell her family, TV बंद करो, volume कम करो. Family उखड़ जाएगा कि क्या है, आप सुबह से रात तक काम कर चल रहा है. So it's not very comfortable working for me. For a lot of my team members, or one team member who's especially women, they're facing up. So I had put up that post of me washing the utensils and all that. And
right.
Because it was meant for my team only, telling people that was your daughter or your wife or your sister is a working individual. She's working from home. Just because she's at home, don't make her bloody, wash utensils also and do that also. So what the men are doing at home is they are working from home, and the wife is also working from home. But the wife, apart from working from home, has to do the cooking also and बर्तन मांजना. ये क्या करता है आदमी, 7 बजे उसका काम खत्म होता है, फिर बाद में टीवी के सामने बैठ जाता है.
Right.
And that woman has to work during the office hours for office at home. Before the office hours, she has to do something for the children. After the office hours, she has to cook for the family and wash. And there are many guys who are not lending a hand only. And that all things she used to do earlier also. But earlier, at least she used to have house help. Abhi wo house help ko bhi not allowed. Again, घर पे बैठे बैठे क्या हो रहा है कि domestic violence बढ़ रहा है.
Yes.
छोटे कमरे में, छोटे घर में अगर आप 7-8 लोग हो and you're constantly morning night you all are together. तो छोटे घरों में भी बहुत लोग रहते हैं, मगर बाहर निकलते हैं, वापस अंदर आते हैं, बाहर निकलते हैं. There is a respite. Get your own space. So from that perspective, will everybody? So we've got people at various levels who are not employees but team members. In my business, I make a difference between employee and team member. A person joins, all people join as employees. An employee mindset is very bad. Being an employee is a very honorable thing, but an employee mindset is horrible. Employee mindset is, I only think about my office during my office hours. घर जाके तेल लगाने गया, वो बिजनेस में क्या होता है, वहाँ पे आग लगी है भाड़ में, मेरा शिफ्ट खत्म हो गया, मैं घर पे है, मैं फोन ऑफ करके रखता हूँ, मैं फोन. The point is that you're not bothered only about what is happening at work after you leave the work for the day. That is the employee mindset. But there are people who join as employees, then they start feeling for the company. They start really feeling that this company is mine, that my work matters. that my presence matters, and I should always keep the phone on. And if I'm required, it doesn't matter if it's my holiday or not. If I'm required, I'm there because it's my company. And so don't work like it's your company. Work because it is your company.
Right.
Like it is your company means you're pretending.
Right.
And those people we consider as team members. They are not staff, they are not employees.
Right.
From employees, they've now become team members. They understand the mission and vision of the company, they feel for the company, they know they're working for a greater purpose. All of this makes them team members.
Right.
And or jo bhi, so we don't expect a person to become a team member in the first 3 months only. We understand that attachment to form requires a little bit of time. But 1 साल बाद अगर कोई अभी भी employee mindset ही रख रहा है, that person has to move out.
Right.
And right now, touch wood, everybody that I talk to as my company, barring aside 1 or 2 people here and there, but mostly everybody is a team member, solid team member.
Industry.
And every month, every day, there is a collection of money that comes into the bank account. And my HR head, my head of accounts, and Kalyani, they will sit and they will then see kiski zarurat zyada hai. And it's a horrible job to decide kiski zarurat zyada hai. It is a very painful thing to do. But किसी और को थोड़ा तो इसको पैसा मिलता है, उसको पैसा नहीं मिलता है, इसकी जरूरत ज़्यादा है तो वहाँ पे शंट करना है. Every day there is planning कि ये पैसा जो आया है वो पैसा बाहर जाना है. And in today's time there is money coming in. Thank God there is money coming in today's time. There is money coming in, and it is increasing day by day, and we are increasing in movements. So we are not dead in the water. We are swimming against the current, but we are swimming. But the money that comes in now does not even stay for half an hour. The moment it comes, it's gone. The moment it comes, it's gone.
Right.
Because
Right.
you've got to keep the teams strong. And there's a limit of how much you can work without money coming in. So for the sake of the company, we have to keep on seeing that we keep on paying the salaries. And COVID-19 is such a universal concept, a universal phenomenon. Okay? Between businesses, there is a lot of understanding. मेरे को भी मालूम है तेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, तेरे को भी मालूम है मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है. There is definitely, अब तक तो कोई सिर पे नहीं बैठा है, for and which I understand that good, decent, well-thinking people will never sit on your head for money because they are also facing the same. They understand we are all in the same boat.